Today we're going to be talking about reading and writing whole numbers in expanded form. Another way you may hear this is expanded notation. Has anybody ever worked with expanded notation or expanded form before? Yes. Okay. If you look over here on the vocab wall, in the second column underneath whole number, you'll see expanded form. Notice how it breaks up the value of each place. So the 2 is in the 2000, so it breaks it up and shows you 2000, plus the value of the 6 in the hundreds place is 600, plus the value of the 1 in the tens place is 10, plus the value of the 8 in the ones place is 8. So combine all that. That's expanded form. When you break it all up, you take each value digit and break up and show what it's worth. Okay, so this number right here, 3256, is 3,256. The digit 3 has a face value. When I talk about face value, it's what's it worth. Has a place value of 1,000 and a total value of 3,000. Why is it a total value of 3,000? Because it's a 3 in the thousands place. So face value times place value is your total. So face value is what the number is right here. It's a 3. But the place value is 1,000. So you do 3 times 1,000 to get your total. Does that make sense to everybody? Okay, let's look at another example. Well, it's the same number, but we're going to do differently. We're going to expand it out. We're going to show the value of the actual digit and expand it out in expanded form. So if I take the 3, which we know the value is 3,000, we would add that to the value of the 2. So what place is the 2 in? The hundreds place. So the face value of it is 2, but because it's in the hundreds place, I do 2 times 100, so I'm going to add 200. Then I'm looking at the 5. The 5 is in what place? The tens. Okay, so 5 times 10 is 50. And then the last one, the 6 is in the 1, so I'm just going to add 6. So my expanded form is going to be 3,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. Okay, well, I want you to try writing the number 5,600 in expanded notation on the whiteboard or on a sheet of paper. It can be on your old homework page from yesterday. Try and expand that out. What would that look like?
There it is. It's arisen. When I pulled out this thing came with it.
Emma, where's your whiteboard? Some of y'all are showing me 5,000 plus 600, which is correct. Some of you are showing me 5,000 plus 600 plus this, which could be correct. Some of you showed me this, which could be correct. Is it necessary, do you think, to put the zeros? You don't have to, because they're not worth anything. It's just 0. It's nothing. So you could either leave it off and just do this part right here, whoops, or you could add the zeros in. Okay, what about 750,000 in expanded notation? What does that look like? $750,000. Somebody tell me what the value of the 7 is worth. What's it worth? 700,000. What's the value of the 5 worth? Or what is the value of the 5? 50,000. And then do I need to put plus 0, plus 0, plus 0? No, don't have to. I can just do just that right there. 700,000 plus 50,000. Are we okay so far? Okay, write the standard form. Now this one looks different. For 3 times 100 plus 2 times 1. What do you think we need to do? Multiply it. What is 3 times 100? 300. And what is 2 times 1? 2. Okay, so I've got the hundreds place, And I have the ones place. Do I have to have something in the tens place? I don't have to, but if I did, it might be something like 5 times 10. Okay, do you then notice how these are each of my place values? What each place value is worth. Okay. That's it, guys. Short, simple. Expanded form, that's all it was. So today, you have a long time to work. Yeah, y'all are looking at the clock. I see you. I see you.
Whoa.
Y'all have about 6 extra minutes, according to my watch,
Look at my board.
which is a little more accurate than the clocks on the wall. You have about 6 extra minutes than normal to get your assignment done. Today, your assignment is lesson 48. It begins on page 328. Please make sure you are answering the correct questions and you're not in the wrong lesson. Be sure to write an equation for numbers 2 through